Okay, this drill is intended to show 3 different styles of shooting, 3 things that a rifle could be called upon to do. One of them is 3 headshots at close range. These are 10 yards. Then I'm going to drop to sitting, and I've got a steel target, an 8-inch steel target at 200 yards. I'm going to do that unsupported. Then I'm going to move to the tripod, and I've got another 8-inch steel plate at 450 yards. So that's going to simulate 3 different types of uses for a rifle. We're going to show it being done with a single rifle, see how quickly we can do it. We're going to start from patrol ready with the safety on. That was satisfying. And we did that in 30.87 seconds. So 30 seconds. Let me show you the headshots. You could hear the gongs, I hope. But headshot, headshot, headshot. All 3 of them a little low. I probably didn't take into account mechanical offset as much as I should have, but they're all good headshots. So 30 seconds, 3 different styles. I think that's not bad. I'm done for the day.